Children, welcome to the online classes. In our earlier class, I told you about the different houses, like what kinds of houses, types of roofs, what are the qualities of a good house, what are the special houses and people who help in building the houses. So let us do with some more exercises in this lesson. Before that, let us know in brief about the lesson once again. So we all live in our houses. It is our sweet home. We call the house where we live, we call it as our home. And why do we live in a house? A house will protect us from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. And we can keep our things safely, and house gives us comfort. And there are two different types of houses. What are they? Temporary house and permanent house. Temporary house is like a hut, as you can see here, which is made of sand, mud, and bamboo sticks, grass, all that things, which can be removable, or if there is a heavy rainfall, it may fall. So this is a small temporary houses which we can find only in the villages. In cities and towns we don't find the huts. In cities and towns, as which you can see, we can find only the permanent houses like bungalows, multi-storied buildings, apartments, flats. Yes, so these are permanent houses. These permanent houses are built with the bricks, cement, concrete, iron and steel we will use. So it is very strong and it cannot be destroyed very easily. It can be destroyed, but it will not be very easy as the in a way that we can destroy the hut. Hut can be easily damaged or it can be destroyed easily, but the buildings which are made of cement, concrete, the bricks cannot be destroyed easily. It can be for many years. Okay, then we have discussed about the roofs. The people who live in the plains where we don't have heavy rainfall, heavy snowfall, their roofs are flat. Yes, their roofs are flat. But the people who live in hilly areas, so their roofs are slanting. Why? Because they have a lot of rainfall and a lot of snowfall will there. When there is a lot of rainfall, if there are sloping roofs, the water will be directly fall down. It will not store in the. If there are flat roofs, then the snow will be stored up. Then it will make the the other parts of the building very cool. But if it is a flat one, if it is a sloping one, then whatever the rain is falling and snow is falling, it will just fall down on the earth. It will become somewhat warm. Okay, then good house. What is a good house? A house which is having many doors and windows for the ventilation, like air has to come inside and sunlight has to come into inside the house. Such a house is a good house. And you can also make our houses good house by our whatever we are doing. In that way also, the house which gives us proper ventilation is a good house. And inside the house also, if we put the proper things in the proper places, it will look good and it will save our time also, because whatever the things we are keeping, we know that these things are here, that things are there, and what are the things are there, if we know the place, whenever we need anything we can directly go and take it without any wastage of the time. And whenever whatever the garbage we are using, we should throw in the dustbin with a lid. And we should grow the plants around our house so that whatever the air is there, that will become clean and we can breathe the fresh air. Okay, then there are special houses also. See here, houseboat, a house which is built in the boat and which sails in the water. House on wheels, this is caravan. Caravan it is house on wheels. It inside this vehicle the house is built so that the people can travel from one place to another place. And this is a house in the tent. It can be fitted wherever we want, and we can remove it, fold it, and carry with us wherever we want. This is igloo. It is a bowl shaped which is put upside down, and inside that they'll arrange the skin of the animal so that it will be warm. In this igloos the people live in igloos. They are called Eskimos, and this igloo we can find in the North Pole, because there is a lot of ice over there, and they will make the house in the igloo, and the people Eskimos live in this igloos. Okay. And who are the people who build the houses? First is the architect. Architect will make the plan of the house. They will decide about where should be the bedroom, where should be the drawing room, where should be the kitchen, hall, bathrooms, everything they will decide, and they will draw the plan on the paper. And according to that, the mason will make the walls of the house. Then carpenter will do the woodwork like doors and windows of our house. Then plumber will fit the pipes for the taps. Electrician will fixes the wires and switches, and painter will paint our building so that it will look good. So these are the people who will help us in making our house, which with our family we will make it as our sweet home. Okay. Then now we'll do with the exercises. Open page number 59. Okay. This is the mind map which they have given. Types of houses. Mind map, types of houses. What is this? Permanent house. Permanent houses are what? Bungalow, flats. Bungalow, flats. Then temporary houses are tent, caravan, houseboat. And in the same way we can here write hut also is a temporary house. Okay, tent, caravan, houseboat, bungalow, flats. Okay, types of houses, permanent and temporary. Bungalow, flats are the permanent houses. Tent, caravan, houseboat are the temporary houses. Okay, what you have learnt. What you have learnt. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Which one is a temporary house? Which one is a temporary house? Hut, flat, bungalow. Hut, flat, bungalow. Which one is a temporary house? Hut is a temporary house. Hut is a temporary house. Very tall buildings are called dash. Very tall buildings are called dash. Flats, palaces, skyscrapers. Very tall buildings, what do we call them? Skyscrapers. Write it here. Sky, S-K-Y, sky. S-C-R-A-P-E-R-S. Skyscrapers. Skyscrapers. Very tall buildings are called skyscrapers. In hilly areas, houses have dash roofs. In hilly areas, houses have dash roofs. Flat, sloping, circular. Flat, sloping, circular. Sloping roofs. In hilly areas, houses have sloping roofs. In hilly areas, houses have sloping roofs. Okay. Write the names of the houses. Write the names of those houses. It floats on water. It floats on water. Start with H. It is houseboat. Okay. Houseboat. H-O-U-S-C. House. B-O-A-T. Boat. It floats on water. Houseboat. House. B-O-A-T, boat, houseboat. It has wheels. Who has wheels? Caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. It is easy to fold. Tent. It is easy to fold. Tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. It is made of ice blocks. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. It is made of ice blocks. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. It floats on water. Houseboat. H-O-U-S-C. House. B-O-A-T. Boat. Houseboat. It has wheels. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravan. It is easy to fold. T-E-N-T. It is made of ice blocks. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Write the name of the person who. Okay, we should write the name of the persons here. Makes the design of a house. Who will make the design? Architect. A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T. Architect makes the design of a house. Architect. A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T. Architect. Complete this. We'll go to the next page. Then next, turn the page 60. Page number 60. Makes the wall of a house. Makes the walls of a house. Who will make the walls? Mason. M-A-S-O-N. Mason. Makes the walls of a house. Mason. M-A-S-O-N. Does the woodwork of a house. Does the woodwork of a house. Who will do the woodwork? Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Does the woodwork of a house. Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Fits pipes and taps in a house. Fits pipes and taps in a house. Who will fit? Plumber. P-L-U-M B-E-R. Plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. Fixes wires and switches. Electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N. Electrician. Fixes wires and switches. Electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N. Electrician. Paints the walls, doors and windows. Paints the walls, doors and windows. Who will paint? A painter. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. E-R. Painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R. Painter. Makes the walls of a house. Mason. Does the woodwork of a house. Carpenter. Fits pipes and taps in a house. Plumber. Fixes wires and switches. Electrician. Paints the walls, doors and windows. Painter. Okay, complete this. Okay, then that's all for today. The next D bit question and answer we will do in our next class. Have a good day.